for aha Ghana TV GH, mesra like, comment, subscribing, never notification so turning on so that anytime you post video be say we will start make a be. For
no oyi really no every ni diary mu ayeda na nim say na okan before answer na obeyi kura no ne madika na hu. That was the first day. Eti ya kwana na meka kire lawyer ne say me lawyer Daniel Mate ne say judge ne no atwere ne wurule ne difrifie ade aba enti himfafo ne hu na ebra lawyer ne kasa wie ye no judge ne yi rule no efri ne diary mu na already himfafo ene ko hu no on Monday na nwumre na ne ruling aye ready himfafo ne ko hu no ye clear ruling on the 8th na majo na mom charge sheet no ye file no on the 9th no anopa ntimi me ye ba arrange me e wo court no na judge no on the 8th na majo no wa ye ruling e de ahye ne darim say akwa ne ba ma remand no na me de ne call on the 12th no oba on the 12th a na masana remand no because or come up or can abai na sem. Ya call on the 12th no. Me do ya me jina daka mu no. Me ya don ke me fa ho. Because the same thing na e course on the 9th no, on the 12th no so the same thing happen. Abra afanyoma kenum nyina afanyoma ken sorry ya. Na or request for bail no. Na judge no koko aye ready sinin nchen. Ruling aye ready da ho. Enti say lawyers no mo wodanum ho nyina ehuye ebra mo kasa wie ya no for the second time na judge na se na yi another ruling adi free ni dari mu biem wayi ni say F4 sheet no wasana yi o obi a wo lawyers ya ba wonim no waka kire o mo sa wa mo kwan o mo make o application no wuri ri aye ready e shall dari mu enti afenyanom nyina kasa wie ye no na judge no for the second time no wasena yi ruling no eno kokotu Robert Mugabe migira nam se akwa se onsan nimade migira nam se sa akwa no onsan nimade continue na wo obia nya dade na se ofa ne ruling na se wo kenkana na abahu grammatical errors. Continue. Grammatical errors obi a why first degree aye second degree LLB in law wo ko hwe ne ruling na grammatical errors e wo ruling no you can't think far. Nah, it's good. Say lawyers ni nyina bisa say e kwan ben so kra na ofa so a o pass LLB no e kwan ben so kra na ofa so a o ko mokwala etimi pie ye ebe ye circuit court. These are some of the questions and many lawyers ebisa including Martin Amidu. Including Martin Amidu. Na say Yesi omani ya diatum se ya the democracy ya duma. Democracy ebe ya duma me nyina ya diatum ne se ade na nya ne ya sore se nye. So be you so state power ade intimidate na manfo a na moto omo fi se o eye MPP fo na ye intimidate omo until we don't care. Akina anye MPP case yo na mom ebeya wufi a wato ebeya prot a wato ebeya contract bi a wo no obi wo na akwa kopie wo court na fa aban bi nipa ho na wa akwa kopie mu e wo judge bi se yanim na ho e na wo ba bekekam say manya fair trial manya say no wo bisa ho say na no ade ne start ye no mimi contribution and some ben na meka e de condemn ye Sa woto na se ofi se eye MPP na omo tete omunti emfa ho se Ghana ni a etina bi eye different issue ade obekwa kopie wo court etina a different issue ade obeto abanyama niem na okwa wona aban na ekwa kodi na sa victimization na ofi se ye victimizing MPP for enti won ka ho asem emfa ho on kan wasem no etina be your 10 eno na ekowie ya yembulu a o man Ghana amanfo tie amanone international organizations etimi ka kire ye say o man Ghana ekwana amode Justice Tokono faso no enye papa Ghana ya tise ya ye ho say ye hu hwe now ya file petition say Chief Justice ye remove no ye remove Chief Justice no enipa o remove Chief Justice no ene o kan mo lobby say ye na appointing as a Chief Justice. The chairman of the committee, Justice Puaman, Chief Justice in Adi. Until now, Okwa Supreme Court to say information I made Mamon and Nani say. The senior judges are more Siciano. Amadou Tanko, Justice Puaman, and Bafuboni, morning. Morning, oh. Morning, and the what Supreme Court was CCA. Now, the question is that more namo say, as a second another Danko Akufo the day post, no, Emma the most senior person, I was Supreme Court one no. Ah, no more yet better no. And let the most senior person, I was Supreme Court war, Justice Bafuboni. Adena Masara Monene Kwakopre. What Justice Puaman also ye senior nti se nka ye dia nka se wo kra na ye se di Chief Justice Mayate but won ye senior entem Bafuboni nti se di senior kan sam na se ne mo kan no sa na tie dia eye da nei mo ni Bafuboni e preposition no ho ene Amadou Tanko say campaign Amadou Tanko to become the Chief Justice and say Fitimira a different 1958 yenya Ghana School of Law ye establish a Ghana School of Law say ye training yenya legal education or mining judiciary a different 1958 ba aku ahodo abam nyina no ekono yenya kramoni amane medi Chief Justice da enti Amadou Tanko compare all yen say for the first time no yema kramoni emedi Chief Justice Amadou Tanko compare all yen no o say yema kramoni emeye Chief Justice. The question me bisa ne say eye campaign message obi amfa ho namom enipa otenase senka ye hwe Amadou Tanko wo pass records e wo Ghana ha ene niam bi a waye as a judge Kananado Danko Akufo-Addo onfa unko Supreme Court. That is a fact and you know because one misconduct to the extent say one say be as say ko Supreme Court as say can no kra ne kire Amadou Tanko sa manfo nima me mama hu Amadou Tanko say Amadou Tanko ana wayomi case ni koduru na nima one wayomi atena se awiakete no mu bua asem no ema o man Ghana e boka 51 million Ghana cedis eyesa jeje hu asem na make eyesa jeje hu asem na make o man Ghana enti se de financial loss can't send there. You are not supposed to be there. Because who the case in beto him 1 year due diligence. I'm on mine Ghana actually 51 million Ghana cedis. Would ye Yamakofia and ye mebwa? Would ye your friend saying misstated behavior no? And your misstated behavior no. Say case ya bawa nim. Now 1 year due diligence. Now on mine Ghana actually 51 million Ghana cedis. Would ye remove as a justice of the Supreme Court and as a superior court because we are that. All these things nina koso, but MPP as a political party overlook these matters and send you to the Supreme Court because of your religion. Because ye nyakramoni emanin koduru Supreme Court order until we send you there because of your religion. Na mumu koduru wa wiye no afen na mu be hu say MPP for ye nkwasiafo nti ye kokko ye adwuma na party ni ba power na mumu de region ababe lobby na mu de sa region no awake atia the New Patriotic Party because ye Jimmy ye nam no after 31st no ye be ye nkwasi adwuma sa akopim say 2028 no ebia nkunimdie be den ebeba na mumu tibabi because me nim school wo wakwa ten me. Oh yes, me nim school wakwa ten me. Na me nim nyansa wo ten me. But what the religion and nam home ye do ko Supreme Court because you campaign message ni say Supreme Court to Kramoni ko hoda and MPP tie ye tie wasem e do koy. But the same person now officer religion ye papa ye nyina gitum say faith dia ye faith ukoye na esom na enu nti wudi ye campaign e de call Supreme Court mummi san say o de som no e na ye adwuma na odi nokre e ma som na na o timu up against Apontia officer saban na eboa wo Amadu Tanko maniduru Amadu Supreme Court honum ye hwe political background aka ye mfa nko Supreme Court wo because MPP ni bia nim say Amadu Tanko eye NDC ni but we send you there ye hwe political background ye mfa nko ho but ye do koy because nim say ye NDC ni all right but ye do koy ye nim say aduma wo ye as a judge no politics na wo ye but we send you there ye no mon kwasiafo ye kokko ye campaign e man people buy e man your appointment adan NDC town man for one Supreme Court wo adan NDC town wo man for one Supreme Court wo ye no mon kwasiafo ye kokko ye aduma ene NDC aba official party aba entino appointia ono ye head of the judiciary no what team up with some people say moba victimizing no because mo fi say ai osa mo ko law school jan o ko law school jan na o ko Supreme Court jaw enti honom no seniority en ye di ye adwuma o ko law school jana ono no ko Supreme Court to ko no ko Supreme Court jao nti akofo ado de ne ko Supreme Court a ontinye but mo a ye no bi ye ko ye nkwase adwuma e ma party ni ba power mo banya appointment no ye nka se mo protect MPP bi me hia mo protection I don't need it amo be hia e be ba be homu but me tia me hia mo protection you can't protect me. Mutimu up say mo ba wakia tia toko no mana kofie anam wakitia wie ye no mo am wakitia wie ye no sa fe da duru ho ana mo ti Supreme Court ho obi sia ne nua onkasa ne ho because akwakoye say lobbying bia start e Supreme Court ho enti obi nkasa obi oya asro ya e na ekoso Supreme Court nei oya esro ya na say what this kind of judiciary as senior judges e Supreme Court enkasa akayo astati because ekwana mo fa so man the head of the judiciary e kofie no anye kwampa enti mo matwa mo ho eko because Kolende atiesim operative justice yadi Kolende atiesim operative justice yadi wo mo nyina wo nim hawa wo mo scheme ade no yes Amadou Tanko operative justice yadi omo Jeffrey Bafo nsam enso ye kan so na ye demo senior say enti senye ani bre na yamode a mo amu lobby sisi ano bibi ada edi adanse se mo ye ani brefo